All right, we've got the Proer dog and cat food bowl. And as you can see, if you look at Peyton, he's very excited about it right now. He's ready to go. He wants to eat. So we're going to give him his food. So first off, it comes with a stand, which is a nice acrylic vibe, very durable, easy to use, easy to clean, anti-skid vibe at the bottom. It's also a little bit tilted. If you come up here, you can see, if you come down here, you see like how it's sort of tilted. It's tilted, if you can see that. Can you see that? Okay, so you can see that. So that's amazing. It also, so as you can see, it comes with 4 of these, two of each of these bowls. So here's one bowl right here, and we put his food. He's actually getting a potato. So basically, a lot of dogs, they get excited. Maybe they get a puppuccino from Starbucks, or they get some sort of desserty thing. Pater's, he gets a potato and he freaks out about them. So that's what his potatoes in this bowl. His water is going to be in this bowl, and there's 2 of each. So we're going to put the water. He likes his water on the right side, and he likes his food on the left side. So we're going to give it to him. I'm going to show you how much he loves this dog and cat bowl right here. And there he goes. He's devouring it. So he loves it. I love it, and I highly recommend it to you.